The dimension of the CanSat is 154 mm in height and 100 mm in width. The weight of the CanSat is 480 grams. We are using plastic container as payload housing. For the recovery system, we using two 26-inch parachutes and two 24-inch parachutes. The CanSat has been dropped from 63 meters. It stayed connected throughout the coasting phase. It landed softly, touched down after 17.28 seconds. Throughout the coasting phase, the CanSat transmitted all the sensors and telemetry system to the ground station. For our CanSat, we used Arduino Uno as microcontroller. We used BMP 180 pressure and temperature sensor, ADXL 345 accelerometer, ACS 712 voltage sensor. All the sensors we used was connected to the Arduino Uno. BMP 180 pressure and temperature sensor is used to measure temperature and air pressure. ACS 712 voltage sensor is used for measuring voltage of the battery of the CanSat. ADXL 345 accelerometer is used for determining the state of the CanSat like idle, activity and landing detection. Neo 6M GPS is used for getting GPS time. We used 3-cell lithium-ion battery to supply power to the Arduino Uno and all the sensors and communication devices. All the data collected from the sensors of the CanSat is transmitted using 3D telemetry system to the ground station. The ground station collected all telemetry data from the CanSat and saved as CSV files.